All right, ladies, it's time we talked about the kind of go bag that isn't just about batteries and granola bars. No, ma'am, we're talking about the feminine bug out bag, designed to keep your mind right, your body safe, and your enemy confused. This ain't cute. This is survive cute. Because unfortunately, in a world where being a woman is already dangerous, looking like one in a crisis can make you a target. This is not just about living. It's about living without being violated, tracked, or targeted. So let's get into these unconventional items that you won't see on your average prepper's channel. Baggy, gender-neutral clothing. Listen, we love our curves, but in survival mode, hips don't lie, and that's a problem. Conceal your curves, ladies. Head coverings. Cover that crown queen, literally. A hoodie, hat, scarf, or even a baseball cap pulled low can hide your hair texture, color, or femininity. Bodysuit that makes you look like a man. Yup. These suits can add bulk to the shoulders, flatten the chest, and square out your frame. Fake facial hair. Stick on beards, drawn on mustaches, or DIY scruff made with some hair from your lace front. If you can contour, sis, you can disguise. Make him squint and wonder. This isn't about shame. This is about survival through camouflage. Remember, predators are looking for what's easy and obvious. We gon' be neither. Concealed carry. This don't just mean a weapon. It means pepper spray in a lipstick tube. A stun gun that looks like a perfume bottle. Or a legal concealed weapon if your state allows. Do your research. Chastity belt. I know it sounds medieval, but listen, modern versions exist and they can definitely help deter assault. Look, sometimes you need a literal barrier between you and the worst case scenario. No, you shouldn't have to wear armor just to be safe, but until the world gets the memo, baby, we're strapping up. Reusable menstrual products. Diva cups, period panties, reusable pads, because carrying a stash of tampons in a crisis, that's not sustainable. Female urinal device. Sis, game changer. It lets you pee standing up. Why? Because how you squat is a dead giveaway. If someone's clocking your posture while you pee, now they're questioning your gender. We eliminate the risk by peeing like the patriarchy, standing up and unbothered. This ain't glam. This ain't fun. But if it keeps your body safe and your spirit whole, then it's going in the bag. Look, I don't want to live in a world where women have to dress like men, cover their hair, and pee standing up just to stay safe, but here we are. This bag ain't about fear, it's about power. It's about preparation. It's about saying, if the world flips upside down tomorrow, I will not be caught slipping. I will survive. I will adapt. And I will come out the other side with all of me, body, mind, and soul, still mine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you learned anything or want to share something else not covered in today's video, drop a comment. Until next time, stay prepared, stay safe, and stay being creative. Love you, sis.